And this is a quick update on where I stand on the skid plate and gas tank installation. Thanks for watching.
Good morning, it's my Jeep with an update on the gas tank installation. And again, I'm reviewing a few things here before I move on. I have got my electrical connections completed up here at the vapor canister and the fuel tank connection. Now, what I did, my fuel return and send line, I went before I started hooking it up. I thought I better go review and make sure I get them right. And I'm gonna go ahead and install those here in a little while. And what I found is that the blue goes on the right and the green goes on the left. So that's something, I don't know if the connectors are the same. You can do them backwards. I'm not really sure. But anyway, what I found, what I saw in some other YouTube videos is blue on the right and green on the left. I don't know why I had a red cap on there, but anyway, it's green on the left, blue on the right. Let me see what else I found. I'm trying to clean up some areas. That gray vapor filter, I believe it's part of the fuel flow harness. I don't remember where it is connected to, but I'm trying to figure out a place to zip tie it where it'll be out of the way. I still got my filler neck to hook up. I got to get the tank up high enough to do that. You see, I didn't forget, I got my clamp laying there ready to go. And I checked all my connections on the vapor canister. Everything seems to be in place. And I'm gonna get all my hookups and check everything. And I got a friend that's gonna come over either Friday or Saturday, and he's going to help me get these bolts started. I'll tell you what, for one man, this is not an easy job. It's especially inexperienced. You see, I've got all kind of things. I've jacked it up with my big jack, and I got paint cans under there supporting the tank right now. And I just got it up here high enough and close enough where I can make these connections. I'm on the other side of the axle now. I just want to point out a couple of things. Okay, this is the axle vent. When I found this, I had to look it up because I didn't know where it was at. There was no hose here, so I had some fuel hose left, so I put a piece on and clamped it. And I've got it hanging up here right now with a zip tie. I got a pretty long piece of hose on it. I'll figure out where I'm going to run that a little bit later. And let's see, I think I still got I'm going to check my torque on these. On these U-boat. They're tight, but I never did check the torque. Anyway, I'm just doing final review and checks, hoses, lines, and electrical connectors. You see, I got my tank supported with paint cans right now, and I got my jack out there. It's hard for one man, to do this. It's a two-man job, that's for damn sure. It takes twice as long. Of course, this is the first time I've ever done this, so anyway, that's a quick update on where I stand on this. But I get this tank in now, and what I'm going to do is, before I completely bolt it up, I'm just going to have it the bolts loosely. You see, there's some holes right there for I got a bolt in one of the holes there that the skid plate goes into. Same thing on the other side. I'm not going to tighten them down real tight, and I'm going to put a little gas in the tank, and I'm gonna see if everything operates. So
You better hope
see
it
if the
don't
engine
blow
runs, see
up.
if I get any lights. And before I completely button this thing up, if I have engine lights and stuff like that, I'm gonna codes. I'm gonna start checking my lines, because I know the problem back here, because I haven't done nothing under the hood since I've had the vehicle back in the garage working on it. Anyway, update, my Jeep out.
And thank you so much for watching. Please come back.